Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max, and in this video I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up a proxy in the Ghost AIO Sneaker Bot. This is necessary so that the execution of the created tasks will be anonymous and without any questions about your IP. Let's get started. Run the program. Let's set the proxy first, and only after this we will create a task. Click on the gear icon on the top right. These are the settings. You will see a window with settings where you can set the proxy. In the Proxies field, you see an example of how to set a proxy. If you have a free proxy, use the following format: proxy IP, proxy port. But if you have a personal proxy, then you should also type in the authentication data in such format: proxy IP, proxy port, username, password. When the proxy data is entered, click on the Save button to apply changes. In the Proxy Tester tab, you can also set proxies and check their performance. This is important because free proxies are often banned, and if during operations it turns out that your proxy is not working, then questions may arise about your IP when the program performs the task. To avoid such a situation, it is recommended to get a reliable personal proxy, and for this, there is an excellent resource: Proxy-Seller.com. Reliable proxies that guarantee anonymity and security when working on the network, as well as provide round-the-clock support. The link will be in the description. When the proxy has been checked, it's time to create a task and bind the specific proxy to the task. Go to the Create Tasks tab. I will not tell you what parameters to set because this question is individual for you, according to your tasks and needs. I'll show you how to bind a proxy. You can see a proxy section at the bottom right. If you want to use a separate proxy for each specific task, then make task-specific proxy active. And where it says proxy, set the proxy data as I indicated above. If you need to use one of the proxies specified in the settings, then do not check the box. Now the program will use one of the specified proxies in the list when executing the task. That's it. It's quite easy to hide your traces while working with this program. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.